Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and this crazy looking contraption right here is my lash light by Toyshi. I love this light. I was just kind of done with the ring light. They're great, but I am normally a glasses wearer, and I was sick of trying to figure out the angles to not see rings on my glasses. It has two lights that are super easy to adjust. You can move them all over the place to get any angle that you need. And then it comes with not just one, but two phone holders, and they can also be moved around so you can get any angle that you need. It is super stable, and it's also really tall. I'm 5'5" and fully extended. It was a good 6 to 8 inches taller than me. And then when you add on these lights, it almost can touch the ceiling. It is really easy to control. Once you plug it in, there is a knob that you just hold down for a second or two to turn the lights on, and then you can adjust the brightness. But it's not just the brightness that you get to adjust. You can also adjust the warmth of the light. This also came with a carrying case, so it is totally portable. Whether you're a video creator like I am, or maybe you're an esthetician, this is an amazing choice for you. But that's just my point of view.